Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you in how me and my daughters did my hair. So first we're starting off with a scalp massage. That is very important, okay? And it feels so good. And that's my daughter Sky. And so then I'm going to section my hair off. As you can see, I already have this little portion right here. And that is to do individual. So we're going to French braid the sides and French braid the back. And then the top, that little section that's separated. Y'all, I just had like a brain freeze. But that separated is going to be in individual size locks, which my other daughter is going to come and do those for me. So it's nice having girls to teach them and learn with them and, you know, be able to relax a little bit and let someone else do the work without having to break the bank. Okay, so I am greasing my scalp as I am about to French braid. And then I'm using some Shine and Jam. Of course, I think I was using some beeswax here too. That's why it's a little bit more colorful. But just French braiding the sides down. I'm going to do the same pattern on both sides. And then I'm going to put the back in much larger braids because I don't want to have too many locks weighing down heavy on my head. Okay, so I did have to take a little break. My arms got tired, so I'm drinking this, what I think it's called a butter nipple or butter nip. I don't know, but I'll link the video to that below. And so now let me go ahead and finish this up. Okay, so I finished up the pattern, and now for the top of my head, I am going to part this in 3 different sections, across and over. And I think I ended up with 9 total, to be exact. But I am going to rubber band these. So put little square parts and rubber band them, because then we was just, you'll see later, we're going to crochet the lock on the pre-twisted lock on the same ones we're about to use to crochet in the onto the braids. And then we're going to use some other hair, some hair that I normally use for butterfly locks. Why am I having a brain freeze again that I can't think of the name of the hair? But anyway, I will put a picture up over here to show you that hair. Okay, so I don't have a needle and thread handy or around. So what I like to do to keep my braids from hanging down on my neck or looking weird under is that I pull them up and I just kind of crochet them into the other braids. This way, of course this is a protective style, but this way my ends stay protected as well. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. I may have seen some red flags, but I let you hit. Okay, so I'm going to get this started and then my daughters are going to finish me up. We got this hair off of Amazon. It came like 5 or 6 packs. So that's why you see it in this package. So I will link a link below of the hair that we used. So I start off by stretching out the hole, so the loop, so that I'm able to pull the hair back through, and then just pushing the crochet needle through, I loop the end of it, and then pull it right back through that same hole.
replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. Baby, I just had to let you know. 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 Hey. You know,
Okay, so for the individual little boxes that we had here at the top, I went ahead and braided them down with some jam and sealed the ends with some jam. And as you can see, my daughter is crocheting it in under the rubber band. So we take the crochet needle and go under the rubber band, and then we pull it through the same way by going through the loop.
just need you. Found my peace and quiet. The noise is slowly dying. I can feel my soul, it calls for you and only you. Just for you, no one but you.
Okay, so now using the Bohemian Wave hair, that's the hair I can remember the name of earlier in the video. But she is twisting from the top up to create a butterfly effect on my locks. And this is also going to seal that braid in, that loose braided piece in from the individual. This just makes these locks look more natural instead of having like those gap and gashes from the crochet method. Of course, there's braiding patterns you can use, which I will upload a video to that later. But I really wanted this little butterfly effect here instead of having to buy multiple kinds of packs of locks. Here we are. We used hair out the closet and made it work. And once the hair starts to run out towards the end, what she does is go back up, wrapping it back up really tight, and then just tie it around in a small knot. Okay, so each braid has its own lock, as you can see. So pair them together and then hold them together and just twist the Bohemian Wave hair around.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, you know, you know.
Okay, you guys, we are all done. This is the end of my video. I am so pleased with the way that they turned out. They are a little tight at the top, but that's okay. I'll just put a hot towel on it or let it steam in the shower. So of course I can move these to either side the way that I want. That's why these individual at the top is super cute. And here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment below. And as always, thank you and see you next time.
When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. I may have seen some red flags, but I let you hit my line. You